when you go to med school, when I went to med school and we study how the body works, stem cells are precursors to blood cells. They become platelets, red blood cells, white blood cells. They can do some tendon, bones in some rare circumstances, but that's it. This is the dogma for the past decades. Still today, 20 years after these discoveries, in med school, students are still told the limit of stem cells is that, yeah, they can become some other things, but generally they only become blood cells. So I'm studying a plant, trying to understand why people taking these plants have benefits touching heart function, cardiovascular function, liver function, pancreatic function, benefits to the lung, to the brain, to the skin, to joint. What is this plant doing that is bringing such a broad variety of benefits? From a purely scientific standpoint, it's a mystery. So one day, a colleague sent me an article. The title is Turning Blood into Brain. The first time that an observation is made where a stem cell can become brain cell, unheard of. Then soon after, I get another article that talks about how stem cells can become the heart and the liver. So now you look at this, stem cells can become heart, brain, liver. Everybody that I talk to are looking at me with a smile thinking, it's crazy. It's like I'm showing you a cat and I'm telling you, I found a way that I can make that cat become a horse. Impossible. It's ridiculous. We're trying to raise funds to develop our research. Every investor we talk to, they find the idea like fascinating. They sent our project to any scientist. They look at the investor, they say, you're wasting money. This is ridiculous. Stem cells don't become cells of other tissues. And yet, the studies that we're basing our project on is all published. It's there for anybody to see. We're facing a wall, the dogma that stem cells simply become blood cells. And to me, it is so obvious that they are the repair system. And when you understand, you just take that observation and you push it just a little bit down the line. So if they are the repair system, that means we age because we don't have the repair system fails as we go. So you look at this and we realize, okay, now I have a product that puts more stem cells in circulation. Is that theory making sense? I shipped this product to a friend of mine in France who has cases of all kinds of problems. He comes back and he says, wow, this lady with this problem is gone. This problem is gone. So I'm thinking, we have it. Not only the concept is sound, but when we apply it in real life, it works.